Welcome to Soul Canyon Kitchen.
Welcome.
I'm super excited.
I know, me too.
So we want to tell you a little bit about our channel since this is our very first episode. What would you say in a nutshell what we're trying to do?
I would say, in just a few words, I would say well-being rooted in nature.
And I love that.
Yeah.
I really love that. We actually made that our tagline because to me food is medicine.
Right, agreed.
And it has to be wholesome, organic. What else is really important?
Plant-based.
Plant-based for sure, because we're vegan, but we love the animals, so that's just an added benefit of eating this way. But it's delicious.
Yeah.
And I think if you stay with us, you're going to see how you can eat wholesome, whole food, plant-based, and be healthy, because it is food medicine.
Yeah.
Good, let's get started.
Cool.
So today we're making an apple ginger date crumble. Oh, how I love crumbles.
I know, me too. We've been making crumbles all summer long with stone fruit and whatever's in season, and believe it or not, it's September already, so summer's coming to an end.
Yeah, and it doesn't matter summer or fall, that warm fruit underneath that crunchy topping, so good.
Cool.
Well, let's get started.
All right.
So we've got our apple slice, and I'm going to put the rest of them in here. And then Margo, why don't you just throw in some, it doesn't really matter the order, I'll do the dates.
Cool.
And you start throwing in that stuff. And then I'm adding a little apple juice because in our other crumbles, the fruit was juicier than the apple.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add a little apple juice for this flour to grab onto.
Okay, and then we have our dark brown sugar.
Yeah,
right?
I love that brown sugar. Yum. Okay, and then
Ginger.
Let's put that
I like
ginger
this.
in.
This was a last minute decision, and
We're ginger lovers.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, don't put it in. But the thing about that, we need to get that thoroughly mixed. Whoever gets that bite is going to have smoke coming out their ears. That's fresh. I love that.
I guess I should have sprinkled it rather than just dumped it.
Oh, smell that. Oh my gosh. I love ginger.
Wow.
See that juice
Nice.
helped.
Yeah,
that
good call.
juice helped?
Good call.
Okay, so now we're just going to...
Yeah.
You,
Do you wanna-
I'll hold it and you
Okay,
spoon it.
cool.
That looks good.
Save that for later. I'll lick that bowl.
I know. Exactly. Best job of a cook.
Okay, that looks and smells amazing already. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the topping. We already have our base here. You're gonna add some dates, just because
They're
why not?
dates.
Yeah,
And
they're
by
actually,
the way, they're
yeah.
Kajrari dates.
which have a really nice caramely.
Look at the texture of these. It's incredible. They're just so caramel-like, and you experienced the first Kajrari date not long ago.
Yeah, and I'm already addicted.
We use sprouted spelt flour just because it's super healthy when it's sprouted, and spelt is actually easier for people to digest. So a lot of people who have gluten allergies can handle spelt. date.
Oh my gosh.
I have to get a date. I'm so curious. Not literally. Sorry, Lloyd.
Yeah, sorry, Lloyd. I meant.
Did you get a date?
Damn. This is so good.
That is
Right?
really good. I'm gonna get that date. I am gonna get that date. Whoa.
A bit aggressive with those dates.
I know, but well worth it. Honestly, that is our best one.
I hate to say it.
And we're
yes.
not just saying that because
Yeah.
we filmed it. This is our best one.
It really is. You're definitely going to want to subscribe.
And it's food medicine. What do you have to lose? But stay tuned because next up is our soul question.
Damn. Look, keep walking. Well, his tail's just in the shot. So, why are you on this journey, and why do you feel so inspired to share with others your belief that food is medicine?
Well, actually, Margot, it's because I was sick, actually at a young age, because I had migraines since I was 11, and that came from a really bad accident. It wasn't because I was a sickly child, but I was trying to heal those migraines, and I started looking into, believe it or not, herbs and food, even at that young age, and that's how it became my passion to learn about natural medicine. But then later on, many people probably don't know this, but I was a pro golfer for 11 years, and I played on the tour with these courses that were like full of pesticides, and I got sicker and sicker and sicker, so sick
From
that
overexposure to the pesticides?
yeah, it was so horrible. It was really horrible, and I got so sick that I actually had to leave the tour because I felt like I had to get myself well. Doctors couldn't help me anymore. They had given up, and the only hope that I had was that I could heal myself.
Yeah.
And even though at the age of 11 I was a vegetarian / vegan for the most part, I realized when I was sick from the toxic chemicals that I had to do something to elevate my knowledge of food.
Right.
And I learned that every single ingredient in my food mattered, and I realized how I was consuming toxic ingredients, and I had to clean up my diet.
Right.
And eventually I healed from that, and I want to help other people do that.
So, what worked for you, and what our focus is here, is focusing not just on plant-based, but on more wholesome ingredients.
Exactly, because
Right.
it's not only just about clean diet, but that's how some people call it, a
Right.
clean diet.
Right.
It's about wholesome. For me, really important organic, because my body has had toxic overload.
Right.
So I can't take any of those pesticides. So
Yeah.
I eat organic and as whole food, wholesome as possible. And I just want to share the power of that with anybody that will listen.
Yeah, for sure. I'm certain that you were not alone, and I'm sure there are other people out there that
Are looking for the same self-help.
Yeah.
And it's right there on what we put in our body.
Yeah.
It's really that simple.
just makes sense.